Hyundai Elevator, located in Icheon City, Gyeonggi-do, Korea, was established in 1984 in a joint venture with the Westinghouse Electric Company in USA. Manufacturing elevators and escalators, it has stood on its own 2 feet since Westinghouse withdrew its interest in the joint venture in 1989 and expanded into new areas such as platform screen doors and automated material handling systems. Maintaining a high growth rate for the past 15 years, Hyundai Elevator now has 3 overseas joint ventures and 5 overseas sales offices, as well as 10 domestic branch offices. In technical collaboration with internationally renowned manufacturers like German Aerocom, Japan's Nippon Elevator, Murata, Nabco, and Mitsubishi Heavy Industries, Hyundai Elevator became a listed company for Korea Stock Exchange in July 1996. The elevator plant, equipped with the latest in automated machinery, has a yearly production capacity of 10,000 units of elevators for residential and office buildings, including high-rise buildings, cargo and vessel usage, and more. The product's excellence in quality and performance has been well proven in the foreign markets like North Middle America, Japan, Europe, Asia, the Middle East, as well as in domestic markets. In the R&D Center, Hyundai engineers work very hard to create quality products and gain a technological edge. Artificial intelligence elevators using fuzzy logic, diagnostic group control, internet display system for elevators, and AC gearless elevators with high-efficiency, permanent magnet synchronous motors are now in commercial production. Machine roomless elevators have been developed in 1999 and are already in commercial production as well. Hyundai's machine roomless elevators are evaluated to match the global standard in their operating speed and their scale of application. Medium-speed gearless elevators, Lushan, have been developed in 2006 for the first time in Korea. Gives a smooth ride as high-speed elevators and is energy efficient as much as about 10% saving compared to the traditional geared elevators. Mini machine rooms are available in the same size of the hoistway. To cover the increasing demands in domestic and overseas markets, Hyundai also has been designing and manufacturing a broad range of marine elevators with the accumulated technology and various field experiences. Hyundai marine elevators comply with the latest national and international regulations or rules of marine authorities and classification societies such as LR, DNV, ABS, BV, and so on. The company has acquired the ISO 9001 and the 14001 certification, CE mark for all kind of elevators and escalators from DNV, and the Welding Supervision Certificate by the American Welding Society. The qualification of elevator inspectors has been conferred by both the U.S. National Association of Elevator Safety Authorities and the Japanese Construction Ministry. Modernizing old elevators is a sector Hyundai Elevator puts great emphasis on. Hyundai Elevator takes pride in its preventative maintenance service with its RMS system, which monitors elevators remotely 24 hours a day and calls service personnel automatically to the site where the elevator is in trouble. We produce 1,000 units of escalators and moving walks annually, including the Millennium, Modular, and H-Series escalators. The Millennium escalators with varieties of graceful slimline designs are ideal for hotels, shopping centers, banks, and office buildings. The modular escalators are designed to extend their slope to whatever rise and do not need separate machine rooms. H-Series escalators, latest models in featuring their comfortable riding and reducing noise, are suitable for international airports, subways, and international convention centers. Even in the demanding U.S., the excellent quality is appreciated, especially in regard to installations in the LA Convention Center, JFK Delta Terminal in New York, and Louisville Convention Center in Kentucky, and many other sites. The escalator sector of Hyundai Elevator will enjoy a stable growth of 15% each year due to the construction of more subway stations, department stores, and new towns in the years to come in and out of Korea. The moving walkways, whose features are akin to a horizontal and slightly inclined version of the escalator, are mainly required in airports and department stores. platform screen doors create a safe and pleasant railroad environment. The platform screen door is installed between guideway and the platform in subway and light rail transit. This equipment is used to ensure passenger safety and to improve the aesthetics in the platform. They increase energy efficiency of heating and air conditioning systems and can enable driverless train networks. Usually the opening and closing of the platform screen door is an automatically controlled system, which synchronizes with the door of the vehicle. Hyundai Elevator introduced this equipment for the first time in domestic market through a technical cooperation agreement with a Japanese company called NABCO. Hyundai Elevator has installed it in Seoul, Daegu, Daejeon, Gwangju, and is now installing it on subway line number 9 and Incheon International Airport Rail. The material handling system sector in Hyundai Elevator is rising as a new major business line and now occupying 30% of domestic market share. We intend to strategically enlarge the sector to represent 14% of the company's total sales and occupy a 38% market share by the year 2010. This system makes a significant contribution to the reduction of the material handling costs of an individual company, automatically performing classification of various products, selective warehousing and delivery, and accurate inventory control. The system is divided mainly into a flexible manufacturing system, automated cold storage system which can run at -20 degrees, automated storage warehouse system for hazardous items, clean room system for semiconductor or LCD manufacturing, an auto storage and retrieval system, airport logistics, a non-manned transferring system, and building hospital automation system. By the end of 2005, 11 million cars were registered in Korea. As nationwide demand for securing parking space has increased, the auto parking business is becoming an important part of the company's activities. The elevator parking system of Hyundai's auto parking department works best in high-rise buildings. The vertical rotating system has a vehicle storage capacity of up to 50 cars with a minimum installation space. The horizontal reciprocating system utilizes underground parking spaces with its rapidity in cars entering and exiting and great expansion capability. The square rotating system enables you to better utilize underground spaces with limited entrance. The HIP system is a huge, high-speed mechanical parking facility designed to park hundreds of thousands of cars. The first complete Korean auto parking system was exported to the Mitsubishi Heavy Industries in Japan. This means that our technology is even recognized in choosy Japanese markets. The sales objective for 2010 is 1 trillion won. Hyundai Elevator adopted Total Solutions for Movement as our corporation slogan, which emphasized our strategy to transform ourselves into a total solutions corporation, which creates the best efficiency in movement. In order to become a top company, they are also engaged in environmental equipment and material handling related system business activities. The annual production capacities of our Shanghai joint venture in China would increase to 12,000 units by the year 2010. The sales of auto parking material handling system, platform screen door business, and environment-friendly enterprises we're now promoting will represent 40% of the company's total sales volume from the current 26% by 2010. Superior employees produce a superior company. Hyundai Elevator puts great emphasis on the welfare of its employees by operating company's labor welfare fund and providing various recreational facilities, dormitories, employee apartments, cultural amenities, and educational expenses for employees' children. This will lead to the stable and productive relationship between employees and the company, encouraging total commitment of its employees to the company. Hyundai Elevator is very close to the lives of people throughout every moment. The 21st century's first-class company. Hyundai Elevator.